Good day everyone, in this video I will show you tips for this watch Casio W219H, and the first one is the LCD check. To do that you can press the three buttons at the same time, this one, the start stop, the mode and also the light, like this, and you will see this LCD check screen. And then you can press any button to exit from this LCD check screen. Okay, and then the next tip is for the Casio check, and to do that you can press and hold the button on the top left like this, and the word Casio will be shown on the screen. Okay, that might change the setting for 12-24 hours, so you can press once more to return to the previous setting. And then the next one is the alarm sound check. You need to be in the alarm mode, so press mode button once and then press and hold this button on the top left, start stop, so it will give a beeping sound like this. And yes, after that you can press this button 3 more times to return to the previous setting. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, done. And then press the mode button to return to the timekeeping mode. And yeah, that's it for the 3 tips for this watch Casio W219H. Hopefully useful, and see you again in the next video. Bye.